Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks to my sister-in-law, my little brother, and my husband, we decided to just get rid of a whole bunch of stuff in our garage because most of you guys know that I do work in my garage. I do hair in my garage and do other stuff in my garage, so we needed space. So right now, as you can see, it's like the backdrop drapes. It's very long, so I am going to turn it the opposite way so I can have more footage. I am just extending it, and then I will be putting the backdrop back on. Okay, because when I record videos, it gives me a lot more room to work with, so therefore I won't have to like edit a whole bunch, and so that you can see everything. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, be blessed. So yes, this is, take this off. Airplane. So yes, guys, me, my sister-in-law, my husband, and my little brother kind of decluttered this garage. I was overwhelmed because I don't like too much clutter. And when it gets like to that point, I kind of shut down. I'm like, whatever, I don't really care anymore. That's not good. But you know, well, I do come to a point where I'm like, okay, nobody bother me. I'm cleaning for the whole day. So I that was gonna be my next step. Compared to before, it looks like there's nothing in here, to be honest with you. It's like brand spanking new. Earlier, I washed the floor. I would not recommend that, especially having, you know, still having things in here. And the garage does take time to dry, but thankfully I had this like little towel that sucked up all the water. Oh my goodness, that was a lifesaver. I wanted to kind of expand my backdrop to make it just a little bit bigger, wider, just so I don't have to do that much editing. And this was my daughter's desk. She didn't want it, so I'm repurposing this desk right here. I'm reusing that bad boy. Okay, I'm coming. I'm recording. Is that okay with you?
No.
No. Come record it with me. So, clearly he's rude. But anyway, so I kind of like wanted to expand it. As you can see, I moved that mat that was there because I took the mat from my husband. That was his like exercising mat, and I took it for my own uses. So I'm giving it back. Hubby, you could keep it. Okay, I don't want it anymore. Hair would like be stuck on it and stuff, and I'm like, let me just. It's easier to just sweep up the floor without the mat being there. Once I get like a room, then I will really bedazzle my like recording area and the area I do hair, my client's hair. But this will do in the meantime. So you know that garage could get really hot. So what I would do is basically, yeah, it's you know, electricity, but I would run 2 fans, okay? And honestly, when the garage is closed, like in the summer when the garage is closed, it's better, okay, than it being open. I did have a AC unit in here, like a portable AC unit, but because I was running the blow dryer as well, it really didn't work out. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do that. So I just did fans and it worked out for my clients. I had like, I will show you. I have this small fan for my clients, and this is it's pretty powerful. I got this for $15 at Aldi, and then I got the long looking one for like maybe 40 something. I will show you. Hold on. This fan right here, I got this off of Amazon, and this works pretty good too. And I use this for myself. I usually have it in the background, just blowing on the back side of me. But I might end up switching it. I might end up using this for my clients, and then I'll use the smaller one. But I like this one because it stands on its own. I don't have to like place it on the table or anything. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. So look at my hair. You know, we have to stick with, you know, showing you guys, you know, anything hair, you know. So yeah, this is a week. My edges are growing back, okay, because I've been using this thing that I made. I'm not going to share my secrets as of yet. I will share it in the near future, but I made something that's been helping my edges grow right back. So yeah, this is like a week old twist. Yeah, and I would style it like this. Majority of the time I would like just keep it up in a ponytail, to be honest with you, because I'm always doing something. Yeah, I would like keep it like this with a bonnet on or a scarf on and call it a day. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, as always, be blessed. Deuces.